Hey.
We're on the beach in Fuengirola, man. This is awesome. Another great place to come. It's beautiful here. Look at this behind us. People are enjoying the day, but the water's cold here. The water's cold, right, Jordan?
Yeah. It's pretty cold.
But it's crystal clear. It's awesome. And just beach, a lot of beach, mountains. Everybody enjoying the day. It's another great way to spend a day, man. Costa del Sol. It's awesome. Fuengirola.
That's right.
Just the footprints. So from Malaga, you can take the train, the Cercanía, you can take it all the way to Fuengirola. It goes all the way to Fuengirola, and it's right across the street. We're right across the street from the train station. They call it the Cercanía, and it costs you €3.70. But it's another nice place along the coast you can go. You go past Torremolino, you go past Benalmádena, and then you end up in Fuengirola. So we were just having a nice day on the beach here, and it's a really nice place to come, and it's really modern. The beach is nice. And there's some nice things to see here too, and they have Wi-Fi on the beach, was nice, and a lot of Brits here too. So a lot of places you can have fish and chips if you're looking for that, and a little Spanish too, but a lot of foreigners, a lot of Brits here. So, and that's the train station across the street there. So Fuengirola, another place you can come on the Costa del Sol. So I came across this park here, and it's called Parque del Sol, Sun Park. But I like this, they have the kids playing behind us, and then the parents are over here at the bar getting a drink. So you can watch your kids play in the playground. You can have a couple drinks here. Really cool, man. Spain has a good idea. We need this in the US.
Definitely.
So the kids can be playing and you can be drinking. I like that. Good one, Spain. So behind me you have the Bull Stadium here in Fuengirola, or some kind of small bull ring. They have some shows here, and right here in the roundabout you see like a bullfighter, so it's like a tribute to him. So it's kind of a good place for it, I guess. Yeah, I'm in this place in Fuengirola. It's called Pizza al Taglio. It's like a place right on the street here, but they have these little pizzas for €1.50. You can't believe it, €1.50. And I was here before, I had one and it was pretty good. So I mean, a little mini pizza for $1.50. It's a good place. So if you're in Fuengirola, I would recommend coming here and get a little piece of pizza if you're hungry.